Do you ever feel like you're trying to decode a secret language of buying a home? Today, we're breaking down the real estate jargon so you can confidently navigate the Sarnia real estate market. Hey, I'm Kevin Ryan from Blue Coast Realty, your go-to experts in the Sarnia Lambton housing market. Whether you're dreaming of buying a home in Sarnia or considering selling a home in Ontario, our local insights and personalized service are here to guide you every step of the way. Let's start with some everyday terms you'll encounter. Buyer's agent versus listing agent. Your buyer's agent represents you and helps negotiate the best deal, while the listing agent works for the seller. Knowing the difference is key in any transaction. Closing and closing cost. Closing is a final step where all the paperwork is signed and the property officially changes hands. Along with the purchase price, you'll need to cover closing costs. Those are the fees for services like legal work, title searches, and more. Days on market, DOM, and MLS. The DOM indicates how long a property has been listed, and a low days on market in our competitive Sarnia Lambton market means a high demand. The multiple listing service, or MLS, is where a real estate agent shares details about available Ontario homes. Now let's tackle the numbers. Adjustable rate versus fixed rate. Now, an adjustable rate mortgage may start with lower payments but can change over time, whereas a fixed rate mortgage offers consistent payments throughout the whole loan term. Debt to income ratio, or DTI, this ratio helps lenders determine how much you can borrow. Keeping a healthy DTI is crucial when buying a home in Sarnia. Deposit and pre-approval. A deposit shows you're serious about your offer, and a mortgage pre-approval letter tells sellers you're a qualified buyer, both vital in a competitive market. Next up, some terms related to the property itself, as is condition and conventional sale. So buying an as is means that the seller won't repair or warranty any of the home, so it's important to know what you're getting into. A conventional sale occurs when the property's market value exceeds the mortgage balance, making the deal smoother. Finally, let's review some offer-related terms. So contingencies. These are conditions in an offer like an inspection or financing approval, and they must be met before the sale goes through. An appraisal and a home inspection. An appraisal verifies the property's value, and a home inspection checks its conditions. Both help ensure you're making a smart investment. Understanding these real estate terms can empower you to make informed decisions in this dynamic Ontario housing market. Whether you're buying a home in Sarnia or selling in Ontario, having a clear grasp on these concepts is essential in today's competitive environment. For tailored advice and the latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips on navigating the housing market in Sarnia.